Well, hello there. I'm just getting started. Hmm. Let's see here. I'm not as organized tonight. Hmm. There we go. Hmm. 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 Forgot to update my stream all over the place. Let's see here. Eight. Hmm. 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 What am I looking for here? Too many freaking windows. All right. Let's see. Hmm. All right, what's going on here? Why do I have a ghost? What's the ghost mean in Twitch? Stop ghosting me, Twitch. Huh. Hmm. Hmm. Whoa. What was that? That's weird. Oh, man. Well, how's everyone doing tonight? See at least one person out there. Feel free to introduce yourself, say hi, ask a question. Well, I've been working on some stuff earlier and just have my entire desktop super messy, and I'm cleaning up windows on other screens and noticing problems with my current repository I was trying to work on. So, yeah. Getting a little bit tired. Alrighty. Let's see. Okay, close those. Uh, hmm. Do 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 do. Hmm. I need like a warning app that warns me the more windows and tabs I have open, and it's like, hey, do you really think you need another tab? You've already got 800. Is this one gonna be the one that brings you happiness? Hmm. 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 Alrighty. Freaking heck. Oh, I can combine that. Yes. Alright, combine to one window. What else I got? I probably don't need this right now. Alright, let's close that. I am getting there, friends. Alright. Um... Sheesh, I'm yawning a lot. It's almost like I've been up 20 hours or more. But who's counting? All right. There we go. Okay. Codium. Alrighty. So something I was working on earlier was this project called Horde Cly. And I intend to do some more stuff with it. Okay. So I found a cool package earlier called, believe it's Cargo Generate. So that's not right. Generate. Is that right? That looks more right. Help. Yeah. Check that out. All right. So Cargo Generate allows you, well, you can point it at different repositories that are template repositories. And generate your project with it. So I actually generated this project with which one was it? I wonder if they kept a link to it in here. Let's see. I don't like these licenses. So I'm actually going to clean this up. Say licensed under MPL 2.0. I believe I already got that selected in the cargo toml, but I'm going to write it right there for now. Unless you explicitly state otherwise, any contribution intentionally submitted for inclusion in the work by you is defined shall be dual licensed. I'm going to remove that for now. Saw the Rust toolchain in order to have blah, 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 blah. Oh yeah, I'm excited about that. You can already install this. There ain't nothing to look at right now, but yeah, you can install it. Okay. All right. Question for anybody watching. Why is Twitch showing a ghost at the top of my streaming screen? Huh. I refreshed and now it's not showing the ghost, but maybe I've got a unstable bit rate or something. That's weird. All right. Let's see. Do that and this. This. All right. Where else we got? Do. All right. Hmm. Minimize that for now. Oh, so many freaking tabs. Ugh. That open twice. Don't need that open. I think I can close that. Boy, howdy. Oh, cool. This is actually one of the things I was looking for. All right. See here. Do. Right. Um, oof. All right, what else can I close? Ah, my apologies for all the yawning. Just trying to get a bit of streaming in today, but I am tired. Okay, what do I want to do? Repository. Change the visibility. Make it public. Okay, so I understand. See here. Do. Hmm. All right, so that should be public now. Do 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 do. Ooh, okay. What else? What else? What else? Hmm. 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 All right, there we go. Got those organized a little bit. Still got more to do. Okay, so one of the things I was working on earlier is this Horde Cly. Um, I had built this uh starting several years ago. I've updated it a few times, but it looks now like it's even been over 2 years since I've last updated it. I intend to rewrite this project in Tari and Rust. But right now, it's an Electron app. One of the other things I have always wanted to do, and then I never found the time, is I wanted to separate it from the Git versioning system, and or maybe I should rephrase this. Instead of this being Git Horde, it would just be Horde, and you could use Git, you could use maybe Mercurial or SVN, and essentially it would interface with multiple version control systems. And so as I rebuild it in Atari and Electron, that's what I'm hoping to do. But it would still be a graphical user interface for the desktop. One of the other things I've wanted to do, though, is to build something like this. And I mean, there's not much to go on right now. It's literally a Hello World project. Hello World. But so right now, if you do, let's see, cargo install Horde Cly, it will install this lovely little package that is now live on crates.io. So all it does right now is say hello world. So if you run Horde Cly, I think no matter what you provide, it's just going to say hello world. If, however, you what was it? Let's see, cargo install, and you could say so an @ sign and then 0.0.0. I published even earlier. That will install the first version on crates.io. And then if you run Horde Cly, it says commence hoarding. So those are the two versions that are on crates.io right now. But obviously, that's not what I want this application to do. In the end, it will hopefully allow you to do something like instead of a git clone, well, why don't I use this as the example? So instead of doing git clone like this, and cloning a repository, instead of getting just that one, you could do a git horde. And what I want it to do is when you run this, instead of actually cloning just this repository, it will find all the repositories under Beep Boop Bang Bang. So in here, there's 4 repositories that are public, and so it would just climb through them and clone each one of them. I would also like it to be able to filter by some of these things, like the type, where you can say public, you can say sources, forks, archived, mirrors, templates. So I think right now in this package, so this is the app that I created a while ago. In the settings, oh, I thought I had an example of it. Let me see here. So this is the one I have installed right now. And when you go into settings, you get some various options. And I believe one of them, yes. So the pillage feature, that's what I call it right now. But I would rename the button from pillage to horde. And so what this feature does right now is it goes and crawls the GitHub API, and it looks at these settings. So wait, let's see here. Maybe they renamed some stuff. So forked repos is this. So if you have any forks, you could click this and it would clone forked repos. Member repos, I think, are I think there may be things you've contributed to, but you're not the owner of. I forget the exact specifics of it though. But by default, I think it just by default, I think it just clones the actual sources. So anything that is owned and originated from whatever account you're hoarding from would be what gets cloned. Let's see here. So for the command line, I would like it to be able to take a repository like this. It would hit whatever APIs it knows about. So if this is GitHub, it would try to access the GitHub API. If it's GitLab, if it's Bitbucket, whatever, you name it, it would try to access the APIs and clone the repositories for that user or organization. So that's what I'm essentially going to be working on. That's what HordeCLI is going to be. Oh, it looks like I have something else to change here. Oh, maybe it's because of these here. Let me find the where was that? That's it. Okay. So I wanted to find this license because this is the license I was intending to use. But what was that other thing? So cargo generate is what I use to fill out all of this template stuff. And this is the template I use. It works in combination with this package cargo generate. So essentially, after you've got Rust and cargo installed, you can install cargo generate by doing cargo install cargo generate. Once it's installed, then you can run this command cargo generate, and you can do -- git and point it at any Git repository, or you could assume it's GitHub and just provide the username and repository name, or you could define GitLab or Bitbucket right there. So once you've got generate installed and you select a repository, I ended up going with this one. I had looked through the let's see, its feature set, and I actually really liked a lot of the features it had. So I just tested this out earlier tonight, where I used generate to fill out the repository I already had for Horde Cly. And so a lot of this base boilerplate stuff, it's okay, but I don't like these licenses, so I want to change. I'm gonna remove the Apache one. I'm gonna rename this one to license, and then I'm going to let's see, where was I want this license? Ooh, that's longer than I was expecting. Okay, so let's delete all of this. So I want to do this before any actual proprietary code gets put in there. Right now, it's just a hello world script, pretty simple stuff. So I want going forward it to use this license for everything. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just making sure the license didn't need any like changes, like the email was added to the MIT one. Okay, so what else do we have here? Contribution guidelines. Oh, that's right. There's something else that I dislike about the template. I might go ahead and create my own template worked off of this one and just change. That's what I dislike. I don't like the code of conduct. Just say, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. All right, boom, code of conduct. It's like someone already came up with a code of conduct to work for many, many people. So weird. All notable change log. All notable changes to this project will be documented in this file. Will it though? How do they get documented? Do I have to document them? I don't want to do that manually. I'll deal with that later. Okay, so Horde Cly, Horde repositories with ease, and PL2. That's what this license is. Mozilla Public License 2. Let's see. Cargo lock. Git ignore. Source main. Okay. This is I'm gonna go ahead and commit these things. Maybe I'll do them separately so they have their own commit messages. Update license to MPL dash 2.0. Commit code of conduct. Update code of conduct. Commit licensed under MPL 2.0. All right. Update license and read me. Okay, commit. Let's see here. Got some messages I'll look at real quick. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, we got that updated, let's see, license, conduct, Tama, yeah, lock. I think I might need to do a build of that. Let's see, pull request. Make sure the contributing guidelines. Dependabot. Okay. Audit. Hmm. See, ICD. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Oh, that's right. That's something I wanted to look at. So here it should have made a release. It did. Ooh, it even published it. Oh, that's interesting. Showing this tag is not signed, but one or more of the authors requires that any tag attributed to them is signed. I guess I forgot to sign a tag. I wonder if I can retroactively sign a tag or if I just have to skip it and go forward. But this is what I wanted to look at. So, oh, that's weird. Wasn't expecting that. I was expecting it to provide a uh like exe or something. Let's see what's in here. Oh, okay. It did provide it. It just tar.gz it. That's odd. But that's pretty small file size. Let me, let's see here. Hmm. Um. Explorer. That? Nope. Explorer dot? There we go. All right. So let's see what it is when it's out of the 155.1. Nice. Okay. Delete that. Close that. See, see what it provides for Linux. tar.gz. Okay, save. And I'll look at the Mac one too. Why not? Look at all of them. Okay, and open that. All right, so triple the size for Linux and Mac. Interesting. Um, hmm. I extracted the Linux one. See. So we've got Horde Cly. Let's try to use this one. Cly. Hello world. It works. It's alive. All right, very cool. Let's go ahead and remove that. Horde Cly. Sayonara. All right. Let's resize this guy. There you go. Get out of here. Alrighty here. Let's see. Well, that's pretty cool. I do think I want to adjust this though. I don't know why all of these are like tar.gz. I'm wondering if there's a way to get them to not be tar dot create tar.gz. Okay, that would be why. Release name, Horde Cly, blah blah blah. tar.gz release name, binary name, create SHA, hash file. So it's hashing the tar.gz. Why not hash the un? Huh. Okay, well, let's besides the fact. Might have to tinker with that, but I'm also going to see if there's any other see settings for this kind of stuff. Not settings, template. That's the word I was looking for. Let's see here. Hmm. Binary name. So a jump target is equal to unknown Linux, then arg64 Linux GNU, otherwise that gcc strip install strip command. Binary name required binary postfix. tar gz the binary name. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I keep getting sidetracked. I wanted to. Oh, that's interesting. Is this a mistake? Let's set it to that. Following. Okay. So I wanted to look this template I used, that is this one here, Rust GitHub template. It provided these bug reports and feature request and config templates. So they are in the repository right now. So if you look at GitHub and issue template, you'll see that kind of stuff. So I want to see what they're actually looking like in, let's see. So the bug report or feature requests should have shaped if I create a new issue. Oh, I need to sign in. Let me swap things around here. Okay. All right. Let's resize this a little bit. Okay. Nope, that's not what I wanted. Lord Cly. All right. Pull request. Nope. Issues. There we go. So new issue. Ah, okay. So having inside the issue template folder a bug report and a feature request apparently gives you these. So that's how you can customize these so that if people go to create a new issue, they have to choose one of these templates. So that's pretty cool. Oh, I guess you can even open a blank issue. Interesting. I wonder if that can be, oh, yep. Yes, it can be disabled as I'm asking the question. So you could even disable that, but if not, so if I click bug report, should match up to bug description, clear and concise. Interesting. To reproduce, expected behavior. Okay, cool. So it gives you a pretty good starting point for people reporting bugs. It kind of organizes things so that it's a little cleaner and easier to more standardized to look through. Let's see. And this one's feature request. So would you like to implement this feature? Solution alternatives edition. I already closed that. Stop doing that. Okay, interesting. I don't super love how this one. My apologies for yawning so much. I don't love how feature request is organized, but it is what it is. Let's see. We can close out of this as well. Gonna go ahead and commit this stuff. Push. And you know what? I don't think that's important. I'm gonna discard that. So that's what the issue templates are. What else do we got? We got a pull request template. Let's check out the pull request. Okay. New pull request. So compare changes, compare master tags. Okay. So yes, maybe I'd have to It kind of seems with these commented out, it's not actually going to do anything for the pull request. So it's kind of odd to me, but it's not my highest priority. I do want to check Dependabot settings. I wonder where that is. So, okay, security. Alerts enabled. Security advisories enabled. Okay. Package ecosystem cargo. Define how users should report security vulnerabilities for this repository. Okay. Start setup. Security. Okay. That's cool. That might be a way to enhance the template, is to have a default security template as well. Code scanning alerts. Automatically detect vulnerabilities in your code. Ah, that's cool. So you can select any of these and use them for code scanning alerts. Interesting. And Dependabot hasn't found anything because there are no dependencies right now. So unless there's an error in the version of Rust that we're using, I don't think it's going to find any errors until we start adding dependencies to the cargo TOML. All right. Let's see. So alrighty then. Hmm. You know what? I think I'm gonna wrap up for tonight. You all have a good one. Good morning, good day, good evening, wherever it is, wherever you are. Stay curious.